Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and today I'm going to show you how to care for your Florida lawn in the spring. Now, before I get started, this video is completely shoppable, so click that I at the top to get your shopping list so you can keep your lawn in shape this spring. Now, we want to kick off the spring season by checking your soil. A quick soil test can tell you what's happening deep down. Finding out what nutrients are needed for your lawn in the early part of the season will help it thrive all year long. Now, if you're confused on the action you need to take, bring in your results to your local ACE and they can prescribe an action plan for you. When was the last time you inspected your lawnmower? That's what I thought. From spark plugs to air filters, check your owner's manual to see the cadence of parts replacements needed. And while you're doing a complete check of your mower, ensure the blade is sharp and ready for your Florida turf. Remember, a dull mower blade will tear the grass and make it more susceptible to disease. Once your mower is in good shape for the season, make mowing a weekly routine. Next, it's time to make sure you have a watering plan for the hot summer months. From inspecting your hose for wear and tear to checking the nozzles of your sprinkler system. Now, if you have a sprinkler system, make sure it's calibrated for the season. Before you apply your spring fertilizer, aerate your lawn to allow oxygen to flow through the soil. Aerating can be as easy as a tool like this one, or you can snap these aerators onto your shoes as you access your lawn for the spring. Now, fertilizing in Florida depends on where you live, as you only want to fertilize your lawn when it's actively growing. In most portions of Florida, fertilizing for the spring occurs in mid-April to May. When in doubt, check the fertilizer that is applicable to you and the grass type that you have in the region of Florida where you live. Now, you want to check your local regulations related to fertilizing applications. Last, look for weeds and attack them. Whether you're a fan of pulling or spraying, the key to a great lawn is to get rid of the weeds early before they multiply and spread. And that's it. These products and more are available at your neighborhood Ace Hardware store, or you can visit us online at acehardware.com, because Ace is the helpful place.